95% of all diamonds and gemstones cut and polished in the world are cut in India. I am interested in providing authenticate, transparent services to the gem and jewelry industry. If you are selling in Hong Kong, maybe there is a certain group which wants some Hong Kong certificate. IGI is a global certification. IGI certification is valid all over the world, whether it is Hong Kong, US, Middle East, India, China. If you want to buy a lab-grown diamond, you better get it certified by IGI to know that it is not a piece of glass. To the United Nations in the US, they invited IGI to be felicitated last year at that United Nations week. They were so impressed, and my intention is to create 1,000, 2,000 women gemologists.
Artificial intelligence will play a role.
100%. Hello. In the last 2 years, we have been developing AI. Totally. See, the whole world is looking at AI.
As for the Gen Z generation, how do you maintain that creativity?
Today, Gen Zs and the millennials are governing the market. When does the cutting and polishing happen? India, Surat. We have the highest pool of polishers and cutters in the world. 95% of all diamonds and gemstones cut and polished in the world are cut in India. 95%. It's crazy. So, lab-grown diamonds, man-made diamonds. We are an independent certifying body, Gemological Institute. Independent, third party, which is very important. Anybody can say, "Hamara bacha," best है. But you need another person, a regulatory body, to say that this is the quality of the diamond or a gemstone. And that is what IGI is. Over the last 50 years, we have gained this trust, we've gained the expertise, and today we are the global leader, 1,300 crores turnover in 1 year. We got listed last year on the stock exchange.
But your stock price down 30%.
Just now.
From
your
IPO price.
From the inside. I'll tell you what. I do not look at stock price. See, investor sentiments are there. They keep on going up and down. I am interested in providing authenticate, transparent services to the gem and jewelry industry. Then how? See, I cannot control the investor's mind. See, I'll tell you why. We are the only laboratory in the world to be listed on the stock exchange. Okay. So what happens? People don't know anything. How we function, what we do. They are ignorant. Now, suppose I'm doing steel. There are 10 different steel companies. There are 10 different cement companies. So there is a reference point. You can compare. With IGI, they don't know. It's a learning thing. So the more they learn, become aware.
The quality certification and your educational body.
Yeah.
Your fourth pillar of your business.
And we determine the origin. Today, origin has become the most important factor in the gem and jewelry industry. Because if it is a natural diamond, is it a man-made diamond? Is it treated? There are so many different aspects. So we are the police of the industry. we regulate to the best of our abilities.
What is your expectation? Recently, we have seen FTA with the
Oh.
EU.
So
What is your expectation from the Jaipur or entire
Jaipur and India perspective? This this announcement, I think, is excellent for the gem and jewelry. See, because it goes both ways. 0% means what? There are beautiful, very high-end jewelry and designers in France and Italy. Now they can send to India, and the Indian vendors, they can manufacture and send to them. You understand? So it's an open communication today.
What is the current tariff for?
It's now zero. Forget the today it is zero. It is zero. So what the hell?
What is the importance of certification?
Everything is in line with world standards. Furthermore, we are also certified by RJC. ये तो technical हो गया, technical and process हो गया. RJC is social responsibility, Responsible Jeweler Council of the world. So we also are certified by them to see that we use best practice principles, no child labor, this, that, all such things. So socially responsible as well as technical and process responsible. IGI is the only laboratory in the world to be doing this. Understand? Question पूछो यार.
सेट करने के इसके लिए this certification is more important. But in compared to IGI, all the jewelers and like Emerald talking about Hong Kong certification is more valuable. Why is the difference between IGI and like other valuations?
Who told you this?
Some jewelers.
See, I'll tell you. If you are selling in Hong Kong, maybe there is a certain group which wants some Hong Kong certificate. IGI is a global certification. IGI certification is valid all over the world, whether it is Hong Kong, US, Middle East, India, China. So being a global authority is most important. And there are 2-3 different classes of color stones. Like there are many classes of diamonds also. If you want to buy a natural diamond, you better get it IGI certified to know that it is not a lab grown diamond. If you want to buy a lab grown diamond, you better get it certified by IGI to know that it is not a piece of glass. कांच का टुकड़ा तो नहीं है. समझे ना? So certification becomes very important.
But in the value of like जो आपका एक सर्टिफिकेट लेके जाता है और किसी और कंपनी का जैसे इंटरनेशनल किसी का तो वैल्यू प्राइस जो मिलता है like उसकी रूबी का
It depends. I'll tell you. It depends on continent to continent. In certain continents we are very prominent. In certain continents somebody else is prominent. सबको जीना है ना. हम सभी मलाई खाएंगे तो फिर चलेगा.
सारा खेल ही सर्टिफिकेशन का है. जो इंटरनेशनल बायर है they are looking the certificate authentic.
They want to know the exact valuation. And valuation depends on the evaluation that we do. And it is not only one certificate. A connoisseur, a buyer, will look at 2-3 different certificates of the same stone.
Right.
You understand?
That's only in color stone.
Yeah, in color stones.
Ruby, sapphires,
it's very important, yeah. It's very important. Because see, it's a qualitative analysis. You know what is qualitative analysis? It's not quantifying. Quantifying is the only you take the stone, put it on a weighing scale, quantity exact to the last decimal of Mahila in the age group of 18 to 21, 22. We will make you into a gemologist in the rural areas. So today I have over 300 women gemologists working in the diamond industry. And because of this, I send this report to the United Nations in the US. They invited IGI to be felicitated last year at that New United Nations week. They were so impressed. And my intention is to create 1,000, 2,000 women gemologists. See, women gemologists, women की empowerment करें तो क्या है कि they become financially independent.
Society का empowerment.
Yes. Empowerment means ऐसे empowerment नहीं करो. Empowerment so that they can be independent, which is most important in India. You know,
सर ये जो जैन का आप सर्टिफिकेशन करते हैं इसके बाद उसकी कॉस्टिंग कितनी बढ़ जाती है?
insignificant. Insignificant. आप लाखों का माल खरीदते हो, हाँ, कुछ हजारों रुपए दे, आपको मन की शांति.
तो उसके लिए कैसे?
मेरी हिंदी कैसी है?
अच्छा
अच्छी.
सर उसका पता क्या?
वो स्कैन करो तो सीधे हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाती है और पूरी वो जेम स्टोन की और डायमंड्स की जानकारी आपको साफ दिखाई देती है.
That's all. Any more questions?
सर ये आप सर्टिफाइड करते हैं जेमस्टोन्स को, तो ये एक एक पीस होता है या कोई लॉट ही केवल?
ज्वेलरी में क्लस्टर होता है.
अच्छा.
ओके. लूज स्टोन में एक एक पीस होता है.
और ये 14 स्टेप सर्टिफिकेशन क्या है सर? वो
हाँ जी.
14 स्टेप्स क्या है?
यार हेलो, वी गो बियॉन्ड द 14 स्टेप्स. ऐसे पैरामीटर्स है, अलग अलग पैरामीटर्स है. So हम each and every parameter भी
Deep dive करते हैं.
deep dive means अंदर उड़ी मारते.
I have a question.
हाँ.
This artificial intelligence will play a role.
100%. Hello. In the last 2 years, we have been developing AI. Totally. See, the whole world is looking at AI. AI is not a buzzword. वो हम AI करते हैं. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. हम सीरियसली AI करते हैं. जो हमारे पास डेटाबेस आए नो, मैडम इज गेटिंग वेरी एंसी.
Yes.
हाँ.
So, she has question.
One question.
Yes, ma'am.
As you said too many things. So first thing is like, as per the Gen Z generation, how do you maintain that creativity? Second thing, you said you give that 15 days, 30 days courses. So that does not compromise with the quality. And also you said ki, for the women empowerment, you made so many as the women geologist, right? So in that thing, is it not again compromising? Because I think making those women learn so many things rather than asking a skilled labor to do that thing. So is it not creating a lot of difference, and is it not creating the compromising?
There are two different things. One is vocational, where art of cutting, polishing, and the other is analysis. Analysis of the gemstone. Now, analysis of the gemstone, you're not a factory worker, you're a laboratory worker. You understand? So when we teach that art to say women, and they are gainfully employed, they're independent of their husbands, fathers. Look, see, you're a Gen Z, yaar.
Exactly.
Okay. So we are today, Gen Zs and the millennials are governing the market.
Yes.
आप समझे?
Exactly.
So आज पूरी global पूरा world is in your hands. I am an old dinosaur, yaar.